doing some last minute Christmas shopping. Not gonna be on my bike today. As you can tell, there's snow. But hopefully next week it's a little warmer and a little less snow. I seriously doubt it. But till then, we'll talk to you guys later. I think I kind of went overboard. Still got a little bit more wrapping to do, but whew.
In a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race, every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see, cause everybody wanna tell you bad things. What could go wrong?
How's it going? This is like my third video for me to actually record. So, I mean, the lighting was just horrible with my my action camera, but I already did the unboxing yesterday. I'm gonna lay everything out because I mean, unfortunately, I had to delete all that other video footage, and it was just trash. But this is the EOX Star Wars helmet that I ended up getting from Ruroc. But yeah, so whenever you do order the helmet, I am on my bed, so sorry for the mess. You do get this, the pin lock, the fog resistant lens. It comes with only just one. Comes with your helmet that's already in the bag. It's a lightweight bag. It's nothing durable. You know, for example, like with my Bell helmet, I mean, that was actually really nice. The one that it came with. I did order a red lens. That was extra, if I'm not mistaken, $44. Then here is the other one. That lens, it's a black one. It is a black one, but it's pretty sweet because it literally comes with the actual, the bag, the lens bag. Pretty fucking sweet, if you ask me. My Bell helmet did not come with anything like that. And then you've got some inserts for your helmet. A little bit smaller than the ones that's actually in the helmet right now, so you can just swap them out. This little thing, these things, I'm still unsure what those are. So this is the actual helmet that I got. What I do like about this helmet as well, the visor. So you've got, like, I don't know if you can see it, but it's like right here, there's little notches, which you can adjust the visor however, high up you want it, fully open, you name it. But I think I'll probably just keep mine like that if I'm at a damn stoplight or stop sign. So I do understand that a lot of helmets, or either most of them, do have this same option on them. I'm just basing this from the Ruroc to my Bell helmet. My Bell helmet is either open all the way up or all the way closed. There's no in between, nothing like that. So I'm just basing it between, both of them. That's pretty much it. I have tried this on already. Um, Fits really well. I mean, I think it's good quality. Um, you should never buy a down helmet, uh, just for the looks of it or anything like that. You know, check the safety standards on them. It's your head. Like I said, at the end of the day, it's your safety, and that's what comes first. For me, I do rock my Bell mainly. I do like my Bell helmet, really good. Pretty lightweight as well. I mean, it's kind of heavy because I've got like my camera on it and whatnot, but I mean, it's not that bad. This one, this helmet is actually pretty lightweight as well. Not that heavy. But no, I'm just testing it out, see if I like it. I do have another one on the way, like I've already said, the Anarchy one. So I should be getting that sometime today, hopefully. Hopefully it's not too late, but yeah. So you do get the visor. It comes with the clear lens already installed. You've got um, the black one as well. It comes in the little bag. If you do want another visor, you've got plenty of them to choose from. Um, so I think they're like $44. I'm not 100% positive on that one. But yeah. So it comes with all this stuff. If you do order from Ruroc, between now, I think their little Christmas special ends on the 16th. You will get like three free gifts. I screwed up my order, my first order, which this helmet, it was in my first order. Plus a Christmas helmet as well for my brother, but um, at checkout I kind of screwed up that instead of because I put the free gifts in there, which was the Shockwave, and it showed the exact price, like the full price of everything. I was like, nah, I'm not gonna do that. So I pretty much just took that out of the cart and just got the helmet and the visor as a sit. But learned my lesson. I mean, because they were free. I mean, the only thing I needed to do was hit checkout, and it would have showed free gifts. But oh well. But yeah, that's that. I mean, the helmet, pen lock, fog resistant. I have tried the helmet on, and it does get foggy, so I do not like that. That is one thing that I do not like about this helmet. It getting foggy. Like I said, I only tried it on. That's it. Haven't been able to get on the road yet because of the snow, but hopefully next week I will be able to get out there. We'll see though. But nah, that's one thing that I haven't heard any other person mention. It getting foggy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and throw that out there. It will get foggy, and I haven't tried that pen lock yet, but we'll see about using it next week. Haven't figured out which visor I'm gonna be going with at this moment, but I'll keep you guys posted on that. So far, that's the only thing that I do not like. So it would be nice if it actually came with the actual carrying bag instead of the this lightweight one. Um, well, as you can tell, I've got dogs, but yeah, this is the bag that comes with. Um, yeah, I got a little pug, so she sheds a little bit. So, but yeah, that's pretty much it. The helmet. So Star Wars pin lock. I've got 3 visors, and it comes with, like I said, these inserts, and they are smaller, so if the ones that's actually in the helmet are kind of heavy, not heavy, my bad, kind of tight, you can swap them out, or either just leave them in, and you know, over time they will pretty much thin out.
So that's going to be it for this video. Till next time, be safe, have a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and we'll see you guys later.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic, believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that